Nike earnings are out. Sara Eisen has the numbers. Hi, Sara.
Expected. It looks like they reported 14 cents per earnings per share. That was better than the 13 cents. It was also beat on the top line a little better as well. 11.1 billion. The expectation was 10.7 billion. So some minor beats here. I'm going through some of the regions. North America was better than expected, 4.7 billion. Still a decline of 11% from a year ago. And then China was worse than expected at 1.4 billion versus the 1.5. Look, the story is not these numbers because Nike had warned that fourth quarter would be the low point when it comes to them trying to clear things out to get what they need, new innovations and new products on the shelves, and to get going on CEO Elliott Hill's strategy. He's been in the job for 8 months, and the real fireworks are going to come on the conference call when he lays out his strategy and any sort of timeline, if he is able to when we could see an inflection toward growth for this company. As far as what to listen for on the conference call, look, most of the analysts expect just quarterly guidance. They haven't been doing full year guidance because they are taking it quarter by quarter. But this is the end of the year for Nike, fourth quarter. So it'll be interesting what they say about order books into the holidays and what they're expecting for the next fiscal year. Another thing to watch out for, I'm hearing that Nike is doing a partnership with Amazon, and so that could be an interesting new approach, a new catalyst. Again, they're revisiting how they have been doing business because they have been underperforming. As far as the comment from the press release here, financial results are in line with expectations, though they are not where we want them to be moving forward. We expect our business to improve as a result of the progress we're making through our Win Now actions. One of the things they're doing, they're talking about a sport offense, just what I'm hearing that they could talk more about on the call. And that is a little bit of what they call a realignment of the business. So basically, it's been organized by gender, men's and women's, and I'm told that they're going to be focusing more on organizing it by sport. They want to get back to their knitting, the core business, basketball, running, where they've lost share and where they've lost some of the enthusiasm. So not organizing by gender, but doing it by sport, which I'm told is not a big sort of reorg that's going to result in any layoffs or anything like that. But it is going to be a complete rethink and sort of reorganization of the processes, including things like innovation and marketing as well, where they have fallen behind. Just another way that Elliott Hill is now, that he's made some key hires, trying to turn things around. So we'll listen to that call. It starts at 5 p.m. But for now, a little bit better on what was expected to be a not great quarter. Stock has underperformed this year, Morgan.
All right, Sara Eisen, thank you.